Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can wrap tags around the image in Canva. So I'm going to show you 2-3 methods that you can use as per your requirement. So let me start with the video guys. Okay, so here I'm on my canvas, so I just have a blank canvas here. So in first method you can just make like visual. Okay, so it is feel like it is text wrapping around the image. Okay, so this is a simple method, so let me show you. First put your tags, okay, like this. Let me copy it. Okay, okay, here I have image. Okay, now you can upload your photos or image here. Here I have text, and you need to upload your image now from here, or you can take any image or search image in Canva stock. So I have already uploaded, so I just take this one. Okay, now you can remove the background. Okay, and here go to the that edit and come to the shadow, go to see all and go to the glow. Okay, and here you need to change that color. Just scroll down and change the color with the same as the background color. So our background color is white, so we need to change with the white only. Okay, and here okay, so here in glow, now increase the intensity like this, increase the size. Okay, now the blur amount you need to increase. Okay, blur amount you need to decrease like this. So you can see now the border has been created with glow, with as same as background color, and it's look like text wrapping around the image. Okay, it is like visual, so you can make it visuals that text wrapping around the image. So this is the first method. Okay, now I'm going to show the second method. Second method is simple. Let me insert the image again. Okay, you need to create text box. Go to the text, go to the add text, and you need to adjust your text. Okay, like this. If this is your image size, first you need to fix your image size and place. Now here you need to put text like this, change the alignments. Okay, okay, and you need to put text like this. Okay, this is our text box. Okay, put at middle. Okay, if you want to wrapping side, then you can make it side text box like this. Same, you need to copy it, paste it, put at the left side and edit the text. Same as you can copy it, paste it and put at the top. Change the size of this text box like this. Okay, or you can change the size of image. Okay, okay, so you can copy the font or style like from here. If you want to copy this font style or size, just select that, copy it, and just select where you want to copy the style. Just select that part or text box, then your all text box look like same and this look like wrapping the image. So you need to adjust the whole thing. Okay, and this is the second method, and last and third and best method is, okay, just open your Word file, Microsoft Word. Okay, write your text like this, insert your image from here. Go to the insert, go to the image, select your image. Okay, I need to insert another one, this one. Now go to the layout and select this layout. Now I can resize this image size, put your image anywhere in the text box. Okay, Okay, you can choose this one. Okay, square, so it side gap also, side space also visible. Okay, you can also change the text style or size like this. After you done, you need to go or hit the your window and shift button and S. Okay, then this tool will be open. Or you can go to the search box here and search for snipping tools here. Okay, select that. Okay, here the shortcut key window shift and S. Okay, just hit the window shift and S, then select that part like this and just release. Now you need to directly go in Canva. Okay, so here we are on the my Canva. So now you need to just paste it. Okay, so this is the wrapping text like image. And now what you can do, if you want to make it editable, just select that, go to the edit option here, go to the tools, go to the see all, and go to the grab text. Okay, select all and just grab it. Now your text will be grabbed like this. Okay, but it is font style and the size will be not perfect, maybe not perfect. So what we can do, select any text or text box like this, select your font. Okay, so just select and font style. Okay, select that, finalize your font style and size. Now select that text box and just copy the style and paste to every text box like this. Okay, or you can make it. Okay, you need to copy the style and just paste to all text box like this. Okay, after done, your Canva looks like it is wrapping text around the image. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.